Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the inertia of direction. Inertia of direction is the tendency of a body to oppose any change in its direction. Like in inertia of rest, body was in the rest position and means it remains to be in the rest only. Inertia of motion, in inertia of motion, body was in the motion form and want to remain in the same form. And now we are taking the example of inertia of direction. Here also body is in the same, body in whatever direction the body is there opposes any change in its direction, mean want to be in the same direction. This is known as inertia of direction, the tendency of a body to oppose any change in its direction. We can understand this thing with the help of some examples. Like first example, we can say when a car rounds a curve suddenly, like a body is moving in a curve, suddenly at that person is sitting inside is thrown outward direction. This is because while the car turns, the person tries to maintain his original direction of motion due to inertia of direction. Now another example we can just consider as the mud guard. When a vehicle passes through the mud, the rotating wheels of the vehicle throw out mud tangentially due to inertia of direction. Now what is the term tangentially? Tangentially means 90 degree. This is the situation when the mud is just throwing by the wheels in the tangential direction. In this situation we can say the mud guard over the wheels stop. Whatever the mud guard we are having over the wheels stop the mud, and this is helping to protect the cloth of the driver. Otherwise all the muds will come in the form of this direction and it can just it can protect the clothes, otherwise it can make it dirty. So with the help of this mud guard we can just protect the clothes, and this formation of the throwing of the mud is taking place due to inertia of direction. Another example we can consider, like at that rainy season, a wet umbrella rotates and then stops. Like we can say droplet of water whenever fallen on the umbrella, due to inertia this is forming in the tangentially form, and it just controlling and stop. If the umbrella will stop spinning also, that time also we can say the droplets can be controlled by the umbrella. Now thank you very much.